Guys, so welcome to another video. This video I'm going to present you guys how to do a multi-step conversion, or basically a two-step conversion factor using the conversion factors for mole. I did put the periodic table into Google Classroom, so you should see the periodic table, the illustration that I have always also been talking about when converting these things. So I am going to do about 2 questions only, really quick, on how to convert them. Basically, this is how you're going to be doing your assignment. Again, it's only going to be 2 questions just because in a way, or in a sense, you should already know how to do this. Now, here we do have a question being that of 23.2 grams of H2O, or basically water, and you're going to convert that into liters. Now, you guys should know how to convert grams to moles and then mole to liter. That is basically the situation what's going to go down. So you're going to first do gram to mole, then mole to liter. So the first thing is obviously change these 23.2 grams of water into mole. So what you're going to do is 23.2, get your number, get your given grams of H2O, times and then the line. Now, the molar mass of H2O needs to go to the bottom because we do have grams. So the molar mass of H2O, H is going to be 1 times 2. So plus 16, that should be 18.0 grams of H2O to 1 mole on top. We continue with another times and then another line. The grams of H2O cancel off, leaving your answer in mole. But remember, you want to go from mole to gram to mole, my bad. Then from mole, you're going to want to go from mole to liter. Now the mole will be respectively on the other side because mole will cancel off with the other mole. And on top, we're going to have the magic number for liters, which is going to be 22.4 liters. At the end, our answer should be in liters. So let us calculate this real quick. So it's going to be 23.2 times 1 divided by 18 times 22.4 divided by 1, which should give us an answer of 28.9 liters of H2O. And this would be your answer for this question. Again, it is the same thing what you guys have been doing with a one-step process, but this time you're going to be doing one step and then another step. Okay? Let us do another. Last question. I am going to go over the particles section just because I do or feel like some of you guys may have questions on the particles. What we're going to be doing is the same thing. Is instead of using the grams for the molar mass, as you could see, it does go from particles first and then into liters. As you could tell, it does not mention anything about the weight or grams, so you do not have to find the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Though we do need to always start off with a given number, which is going to be that of 3.8 times 10 to the negative 2 particles. I'll just put part just because I won't have enough space in this program. So in the bottom part, we're going to put particles, and if you do not remember the number for particles, the number is going to be Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles. Okay, again, in your paper you should have enough space to write it. I am doing it through a program and I don't really have that much space, so please make do with what you have. Now the particles will cancel off each other, but we do not want to stop at the mole because again we want to go from particles to liters. So we're going to go from particles, then we go to the mole, then we go to finally liters. Now we continue on because we're in mole right now, and because mole is on top, hence the bottom part should also be in moles. They cancel off each other, and on top you're going to put again the magic number being that of 22.4 under STP only. Now, assume that all the questions that I am giving you are under STP, so please always put 22.4. Now it is time for the solving portion. I'm hoping you guys do remember the specifics on how to put it in your calculators for your cell phones. If not, just try your best. Considering the situation how we are doing class, I may probably be a little bit lenient on it, so please just try your best. So let's do the calculation together. In that 3.8 times 10 to the negative 2 power times 1 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd power, then you are going to multiply by 22.4 liters divided by 1. Your answer overall should be that of 1.4 times 10 to the negative 24 liters. Okay? Again, just try your best. I'm not really expecting um, a lot of the math. I know you guys are going to be confused. It's kind of hard to do math when you're not in class. But just try your best. If you can't with this video, just hit me up or try to look up another YouTube video that is more professional than mine, just so you guys could kind of see the idea of what I'm trying to get at, okay? If you do have any questions, just let me know, okay? With that, I am done for the video. Let me know if you like this video or if you want me to continue doing like the first video that I did for you guys. Alright? With that, I'll see you in a few. Okay? Bye, guys.